Good morning everyone. Welcome to Narana live classes. Today we are going to discuss assignment number 5 based on triangles. Let us start with the first question. In the below figure, if PQ is parallel to RS, prove that triangle POQ is similar to triangle SOR. Now let us see the solution for this question. What I have to prove in that, this is the part. Now if you observe that two triangles here, from triangles POQ and SOR and triangle SOR. If you observe properly, angle POQ is equal to angle SOR, vertically opposite angles, right? And it is clearly mentioned that PQ is parallel to RS. So therefore, angle OPQ is equal to angle OSR, alternate interior angles. So angle OSR, right, alternate interior angles. In the same way, you will have the next pair also. Angle OQP is equal to angle ORS. The same way. Angle OQP is equal to angle ORS. The same way, that is alternate interior angles. So according to, see, here we are having the three angles are proved, those are equal. So according to AAA similarity criterion, we can tell that triangle POQ is similar to triangle SOR. This is what you have to prove it. So this completes question number 1. Coming to the second question. In the below figure, OA into OB is equal to OC into OD. Show that angle A equal to angle C and angle B is equal to angle D. That means it is enough to prove that AOD and triangles COB, if those two are similar, if you can prove, ultimately we can make those angles equal. So now, let us take the given condition first. What is the given condition for us? OA into OB is equal to OC into OD. So one small adjustment here. Bring OC to LHS part and take OB to the RHS part. So what I will be left with right now, OA by OC is equal to OD by OB. Right? So this, name it as equation number 1. Now consider the triangles AOD, from triangle AOD and triangle COB. These are the two triangles we have. In this case, if you observe properly, angle AOD will be equal to angle COB. Angle AOD will be equal to angle COB, vertically opposite angles. Here we can't take this one because we can't take the case of alternate interior because their parallel is not mentioned for us. So in that case, angle AOD is equal to angle COB, we got it. Let us name the second equation. Now from 1 and 2 equations, if you observe properly, OA by OC is equal to OD by OB. That is the ratios of two sides, that is ratios of the sides. And next we have angle AOD is equal to angle COB. So according, see here, two sides and one angle. So according to SAS similarity rule, right? SAS similarity criterion, we can tell that triangle AOD is similar to triangle COB. Right? If the two triangles are similar, obviously those angles will be equal. So hence, angle A is equal to angle C and angle D is equal to angle B. This is what you have to prove it. Right? This completes second question. Now let us come to the next one. In the below figure, CM and RN are respectively the medians of triangle ABC and triangle PQR. If triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR, prove the three conditions. So we have to prove three conditions here. Let us start with the first given part for us. So now, when you look after this question clearly, what is given for us? Triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. It is already given. Triangle ABC similar to triangle PQR. If these two triangles are similar, we know the conditions. Angles are equal and the ratios of the sides are proportional. So in that case, I will be writing this part now. AB by PQ is equal to BC by QR is equal to CA by RP. Name this as first equation. Okay. And next, with respect to this, we even know that angle A is equal to angle P, angle B is equal to angle Q, angle C is equal to angle R. Okay. So these angles are already equal and the ratios of their sides are proportional. We took it as equation number 1. Now let us try to concentrate on the first bit. Now consider the triangles, triangle AMC and triangle PNR. Triangle AMC and triangle PNR. If you observe properly this AMC and triangle PNR, see already we have one condition clearly that AB by PQ is equal to CA by RP. Right? We have this condition. AB by PQ is equal to CA by RP. From the given condition, that is equation number 1. Now here, if you concentrate properly, M and N are the medians. So exactly that means it divides into two equal halves, the base. That means AB will be equal to, so that means AM plus MB, right? And here, what can I write? AM will be first part and MB will be the second part. That means I can write as clearly AM, right? AM is equal to half AB, or AB is equal to 2 AM. AB is equal to 2 AM. Similarly, PQ can be written as, what you can write PQ as similarly? PQ is equal to 2 PM. Right? Now substitute in this equation. So when I substitute here, what I will be left with right now, in the place of AB and PQ, you write those two. So I am left with 2 AM by 2 PM is equal to CA by RP. CA by RP. These two gets cancelled. So what I am left with right now, AM by PN is equal to CA by RP. This part you got it. Now ratios of two sides are proportional, and also in this part we have clearly, and that is angle A is equal to angle P. So angle A is nothing but this part is equal to this one. We already got according to the given condition. That means angle CAM is equal to angle RPN. Right? This we got it from the given condition. So according to this SAS criteria, similarity criteria, we can write that here we have two ratios of the sides as equal, and as we got it, angle is also equal. So according to this SAS similarity criteria, we can write as triangle AMC similar to triangle PNR. Right? This is what we have to prove. This is first condition. Now let us concentrate on the second one. What I have to prove? CM by RM is equal to AB by PQ. Now when you come to the second condition, we have this part will be useful for us. We got in the previous case as triangle AMC similar to triangle PNR. This is the second condition what I am trying to prove right now. So according to this, we have clearly the condition here, that is CM by RM is equal to CA by RP. See, the ratios of the sides are equal. So now if you concentrate here clearly, CA by RP from equation 1 is equal to AB by PQ also according to the equation 1. So here what I am going to write, from first equation, CA by RP can also be written as AB by PQ. Obviously that is equal to BC by QR. So I will substitute here. So what I am left with right now, CM by RN is equal to AB by PQ. This is what you have to prove, our second condition. Right? Now coming to the third condition. What is our third condition to be proved? The third condition is triangle CMB similar to triangle RNQ. Now consider the triangles. Consider triangles CMB and RNQ. Okay, triangle CMB and RNQ. Now here, if you observe properly, from the given condition we have AB by PQ is equal to from the given part, AB by PQ is equal to BC by QR. This is from the given condition. AB by PQ is equal to BC by QR from the first equation. Now next, if you observe properly here clearly, even MB will be equal to half of this AB. That means AB can be written as 2MB, and similarly NQ can be written as, that is half of PQ. That means PQ is equal to 2NQ because M and N are the medians. So now in this case, so AB by PQ is equal to BC by QR. You got it here clearly. And next one is, since M and N are medians of the triangle, so therefore AB is equal to half of, that means this MB is equal to twice, that is half of this AB. So here what I can write is AB is equal to twice MB, right? And next, in the similar way, PQ is equal to twice MB or BM, and PQ is equal to twice QM, right? MB, or no problem, AB is equal to twice BM, and the next part is PQ is equal to twice QM, right? Now substitute here. So what I will get in this, 2BM by 2QN is equal to BC by QR, right? These two gets cancelled. So what I am left with now, BM by QN is equal to BC by QR. We got it just now, right? Now BC by QR is equal to what we have, AB by PQ. And this AB by PQ, according to the second condition, we got it with respect to CM by RN, right? So now here, since BC by QR is equal to AB by PQ, which according to the second equation we have equal to CM by RN, right? So therefore, instead of this BC by QR, I can write AB by PQ. Instead of that, I can write CM by RN also. So right, what I will be left with, therefore, what I will get finally, CM by RN is equal to BC by QR. CM by RN is equal to BC by QR is equal to BM by QN, right? CM by RN is equal to BC by QR is equal to BM by QN, right? Here we can see that ratios are three sides ratios are proportional according to triple S similarity. We can write, so according to triple S similarity, we can write it as triangle CMB similar to triangle RNQ. This is what you have to prove it, right? Thank you.